Yes, sir.
We're in the trial square where a permitted event took place at this location. The preliminary investigations suggest that during the event, two armed men attempted to rob patrons at this location. They were challenged by licensed firearm holders. As a result of the shooting, two men were shot and killed. Two firearms recovered. The identities of the men have not yet been confirmed. However, one of them has an ID which is from a Kingston address. I want to speak to specifically because this community is a very quiet community, the trial area, and the residents woke up this morning to this kind of news. And so we want to appeal to persons who wish to commit offenses in the St. Elizabeth Division to desist from doing so and to allow good order to be maintained. As it is now, the scenes of crime persons are on the location, the scene is being processed, and the investigation will continue.